Hi, I'm Blair Lehman, Product Service Manager at Komatsu. In this episode of instructional videos on hydraulic breakers, I'll focus on safety in three areas: installation, the working area, and operator considerations. When installing or removing attachments, keep hands clear of mounting pinholes and linkage. Safety decals should be clean and clearly legible. Do not alter the attachment or its hydraulic circuit without proper authorization. And always use OEM parts and components to maintain attachment integrity. Once installed properly, all crew members should stay clear of the breaker during operation. Flying debris can cause severe injuries or even death. When striking hardened surfaces, be cautious of flying metal particles. All members of your team should wear safety glasses and ear protection per OSHA regulations. Now for some basic operating rules. Please use safety precautions when handling heavy objects. Use breaker attachments only for their intended purposes, never as a lifting device. Also, only activate breakers from the operator's seat for full machine control. Ensure the cab's doors and windows remain closed during breaker operations to avoid the ingress of any flying particles. Finally, make sure your operator has protection by using a windshield or wire screen. Komatsu recommends level 1 2x2 mesh front screens for hydraulic braking operations. When a breaker is being used for overhead applications, a top window guard is also recommended. To see more in this series of hydraulic breaker videos, you can visit us at komatsu.com.